Tired of losing track of where your precious time goes? Let's get your time tracking organized by creating a project on Clockify. First, make sure you're logged into your Clockify account. You'll find the Projects tab on the left-hand side of your screen. Go ahead and click on it. See that bright green New Project button? Click it. This is where the magic begins. Now, give your project a name. Make it something clear and descriptive, so you know exactly what you're tracking time for. For example, website redesign or social media campaign. Type your project name into the project name field. Next, assign a client to the project. If applicable, click the client dropdown and choose from your existing clients or create a new one. This is useful if you're working for multiple clients. Now let's consider your project settings. If you need to track billable hours for this project, toggle the billable option. Decide if you want your entire workspace to see this project and set that under public. Once you're happy with your project details, hit the blue Create Project button at the bottom of the form. Congratulations! Your project is now created and visible in your project list. Now you can easily start tracking time against it, ensuring all your time entries are neatly categorized and organized. Happy tracking!